Former ADOR CEO Min Hee-jin has come under renewed scrutiny after court documents revealed her repeated use of verbal abuse and derogatory language toward a former employee who had filed a workplace harassment complaint. The documents detail that Min called the employee idiot, dimwit, and used vulgar language such as FE in workplace interactions. On November 24th, Dispatch reported on the ruling from the Seoul Western District Court, which upheld a previous fine imposed by the Seoul Western District Office of Employment and Labor. Min had filed an appeal against the fine, which was related to confirmed workplace harassment violations. The judgment included specific examples of language used by Min, such as blockhead, stupid, so damn frustrating, childish, and expletives like fa-e. These terms were found to be repeated over time and directed at the employee, identified only as A. Min's legal team argued that the remarks were meant as casual expressions to guide work behavior. However, the court rejected this explanation, stating that such language clearly exceeded the bounds of workplace appropriateness and could not be considered friendly or instructive in nature. Employee A initially reported the harassment in 2024, also alleging that Min attempted to cover up a sexual harassment case involving the company's deputy director. The Labor Board confirmed both claims, issuing a fine and citing Min for failing to properly investigate the sexual misconduct report. Min filed an amendment with the court on November 6th, indicating plans to contest the decision in a formal trial. Dispatch also revealed that someone claiming to be Min's legal representative repeatedly contacted them, demanding corrections or deletions of published articles. This individual identified themselves as part of Lee Han Law Office, threatening legal action if their requests were not met. However, Dispatch found inconsistencies. Only 2 firms in Korea operate under the name Lee Han, one with no licensed attorneys, and the other with no matches to the phone number provided by the supposed representative. The unidentified source insisted that since 2 of the 4 points in the case were dismissed, it should be considered a partial victory, and even warned that sharing the ruling in group chats could be defamation. This is not the first time Min Hee-jin has faced criticism for attempting to silence the media. Since her public fallout with HYBE in April 2024, she has frequently demanded news revisions and deletions through legal representatives and PR firms. These efforts reportedly include legal threats aimed at shaping public narratives. Min Hee-jin, once praised as the creative force behind ADOR and NewJeans, now faces mounting backlash as more details of workplace misconduct come to light.